Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the incredible world of Blender, a powerful open source software for 3D modeling, animation, and more. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, Blender offers a wide range of tools and features to bring your creative vision to life. So let's explore some of the amazing uses of Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D creation suite that's used by professionals and hobbyists alike. It's available in Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it accessible to everyone. Now, about 3D modeling. One of the primary uses of Blender is 3D modeling. With Blender's initiative interface and robust modeling tools, you can create anything from simple objects to complex characters and environments. Now, animation. In addition to 3D modeling, Blender is a powerful tool for animation. Whether you are creating short films, advertisements, or video game assets, Blender's animation features allow you to bring your characters and scenes to life. Visual effects. Blender is also widely used for creating stunning visual effects, from explosions and simulations to compositing and motion tracking. Blender's VFX capabilities rival those of expensive proprietary software. Now, game development. If you are interested in game development, Blender has you covered. With features like real-time rendering, asset creation, and level design tools, Blender is a versatile tool for indie developers and studios alike. Now, architectural visualization. Architects and designers also use Blender for architectural visualization. With Blender's realistic rendering engine and precise modeling tools, you can create lifelike renderings and walkthroughs of buildings and interior spaces. As you can see, Blender is much more than just a 3D modeling tool. Whether you are a filmmaker, animator, game developer, architect, or hobbyist, Blender offers limitless possibilities for creativity and expression. So why not give Blender a try? Download it for free today and start bringing your ideas to life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Blender tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy blending.